Why is the R32 AWHP drawing so much attention? A long time ago, people burned wood and coal to heat their homes, and later, fuels such as gas and oil were used. However, these heat sources were harmful to the environment, so a new type of heating system was developed. AWHP is an eco-conscious heating system that uses natural energy and electric energy to minimize air pollution. Now, what if we also added the eco-conscious R32 refrigerant? According to the F-gas regulation, GWP will be restricted to 750 by 2025. Products that exceed this number will not be allowed. R32 refrigerant boasts a low GWP of 675, so it can be used without being restricted by the regulation. Moreover, with a 20% reduction in refrigerant charging amount, it offers better heating performance even in extremely cold weather. So why should we select LG's R32 AWHP over other available products? First, because it employs LG's exclusive R1 compressor. The R1 compressor boasts world-class performance and saves energy with enhanced efficiency, using a hybrid scroll-shaped design and bottom compression scroll structure. With flash gas injection, reliable heating improved down to -25°C. Unlike with the conventional compressor, the extended operation range is up to 150 Hz. In addition, water temperature is increased up to 65°C, providing powerful heating even in cold weather. It also produces a reliable heating performance even at ever-changing extreme circumstances. And the noise and vibration are reduced, thereby enabling a quieter operation. The second reason we should select LG's R32 AWHP is Ocean Black Fin. Ocean Black Fin makes the product resistant from various corrosive external conditions. Each fin is fully covered by the black coating and hydrophilic coating, which extremely lowered the risk of corrosion, so the product's lifespan is much more extended. The third reason to choose LG's R32 AWHP is SmartThinQ. Convenience was upgraded to enable remote heating function, so busy people can control their system from anywhere. Users can set the temperature on their way home and prevent pipes or faucets from freezing and bursting in cold weather, so they can return to a warm, cozy space. In addition, by using weekly, monthly energy monitoring, users can consume energy more efficiently.